Running an online business is chaotic. If you're anything like me, then your Gmail is like a war zone. Now, on any given day, I have coaching clients asking for resources, affiliate partners negotiating terms, and new leads getting completely buried under piles of promotional newsletter. Now, for a long time, I tried patching it all together. I had my emails in one tab, a massive and heavy project management tool in another tab, and also about 6 different spreadsheets just to keep track of who I need to follow up with. I was losing time, and the worst is that I was dropping the balls on deals. Then I discovered a way to run my entire business pipeline, every client, every partnership, every project, without ever leaving my inbox. Real quick before we dive in, some of the links in the description below are affiliate links. This means if you click through and make a purchase, I may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. It helps to support this channel so I can keep making videos like this. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Nwaeze David. Today I'm taking you behind the scenes to show you the exact system I use to manage my entire business inside Gmail using strict CRM. If you want to set this up alongside me, then grab the link in the description of this video and install Streak for free, and let's get started in building your system. Before we jump into the exact pipeline I use, we need to talk about why this software works so well. Context switching is the killer of productivity. Now, every time you leave your email to update your CRM, log a task, or check a client status, you break focus. Streak eliminates that. It's a browser extension that lives directly inside your Gmail. It lets you take an email thread and turn it into a trackable, movable asset. Whether you're managing an affiliate marketing campaign, or boarding new students, or tracking your software development gigs, you can build a custom pipeline for it right next to your compose button. Now, I divide my business into 3 main pipelines inside Streak. I'm going to show you how each one functions. Number 1 is the client and coaching pipeline. When someone reaches out for consulting, their email doesn't just sit in my inbox. I click on this plus icon here and add them to my client's pipeline. Here you can use the AI features to summarize the email, remind yourself to follow up, and also see when your email has been read. Number 2 is the affiliate partnership pipeline. Managing affiliate links and brand deals requires aggressive follow-up. I use this pipeline to track which brand I've pitched, who has replied, and who owes me a payout. Number 3 is the content and project pipeline. I even use Streak to manage my content creation. Now, if a sponsor sends over a brief, for instance, or if I have an idea of a digital product, it goes into the project pipeline. So I track it from ideation to launch. I keep track of my progress. Now, managing the pipeline is great, but here's how I actually save hours of manual work every single week. It's called snippets and mail merge. Now, for instance, when an affiliate partner asks me for my media kit, or a new client asks for an onboarding link, I don't type that out anymore. I use the Streak snippet to drop a pre-written high-converting email template directly into the inbox. For example, I have a new digital product launching and I have to reach out to over 14 warm leads. I don't use a massive, expensive email marketing software for that. I select all 40 leads in my pipeline, then I use the mail merge feature here to send them all a personalized email at once. Now, it pulls their first name straight from the pipeline, meaning every email lands in the primary inbox and not in the promotional tab. Now, the tool you use doesn't really matter nearly as much as the system you built, but if your system forces you to jump through hoops and open a dozen apps, you just don't need to stick with it. That's my honest opinion. Breaking my entire workflow into the one app that I use every single day, which is Gmail, has completely changed the way I run my business. Nothing falls through the cracks anymore. So if you are ready to get your inbox under control and actually track your revenue as a professional, click the link in the description of this video right now, install the Streak extension, and start organizing your pipeline and workflow. If this video was helpful, drop a comment below and let me know which part of your business is the hardest to keep organized right now. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel if you have not done so, and keep building your amazing products. I'll see you in the next video.